Well, hello everyone, I'm Brandon Bolnifer, and today I'm going to talk to you about the reMarkable 2 and how to use it for digital planning. Recently, reMarkable came up with a new software link that really enhances your ability to take digital notes and digitally plan. So join me. Well, thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to learn about how to digital plan on the reMarkable 2. Over the last month and a half, I've had the privilege and honor to work with reMarkable 2. And ultimately speaking, my first impressions was it's a really good ink tablet. It's great for taking notes. But someone that enjoys digital planning, it's something that just wasn't very fit for me. I didn't like the process of having to navigate through PDFs or try to create my own templates. It just didn't seem very fluid. However, this last week, there was a huge update was made. So if you haven't already, make sure you're updated to 2.6. The software allows you to do some pretty awesome things, especially on a PDF annotation app like our planning system, the Key2Success Planner. It enables hyperlinks as well as pinch to zoom. So today, guys, I'm going to show you our planning system and how you can use interactive PDFs on the reMarkable 2 to really set the stage for digital planning and really get through life and learn how to use this device to increase your productivity. Many of you already recognize this screen. We're going to My Files. We're going to choose the 2021 Key2Success Planner. And we're going to go ahead and open it. Now, this planner currently is only available in landscape in 2022. We're working with this device to find a really good way to do portrait, but the experience in landscape mode is really something you need to see and test drive for yourself. So the first thing I want to do is I want to introduce you to the planning system. When you load the system, you're going to see one of the first pages is just a little information about us in the planning system. You can swipe to the left and get to your very first page, which is our vision board. Now, if you have not learned about our planner, go ahead and hit the link above. You're going to learn all about it. It's also in the description below, and you guys can really unlock your potential with this planning system. But what's really awesome about it is down the right side, you're going to see all the months. And if I tap on a month, it's going to take me right to that month in the PDF. So here you can see January, and you are able to get an add-a-look view at this planning system. I can jump into February just as quick and easy, and then I can jump back to January. The excitement doesn't stop there. When you're at the Add a View page, if I want to jump to the 4th of January, I can click on it and it can take me to this individual page. This is something that we could not do prior to this update that came out from reMarkable. 2.6 software, I highly recommend you update your device if you haven't already and unlock this feature. But here you're able to see the planning system and able to see how it looks. And even further, I can zoom in with the new pinch to zoom feature. And I can see a closer look at the planning system in front of me. And on each and every day or page, you have the ability to click on the dates on those pages, and it'll take you to that date on the calendar. So here we're on January 18th. If I click on the 5th, it'll take me to the 5th. So with a quick touch of your finger, you are able to navigate pretty smoothly through the planning system. What's also really cool about the reMarkable versus many other tablets is when the pen mode is enabled, you are not able to use your finger as a means of navigating through the planner, and I really enjoyed this feature in the reMarkable. So you can see I have my stylus here. I can easily go ahead and write a note. And I can do that right in the planning system. I can also go ahead, and if I want to select that note, I can go ahead and select it. I can make it larger. Now you're saying, well, that's really cool, but how does this Lasso feature really help me when it comes to paper planning? Well, if you've ever been a paper user, one of the things that I always hated and struggled with is I didn't get all my tasks done. But from one day to the next, I found myself taking time to copy over my tasks from one day to the next day, flipping back and forth through the pages, looking at each individual task. Well, I can go ahead with this planning. I can slide my finger back, get to the day before, and then I can go ahead and I can use that Lasso tool to select the dates, go ahead and hit copy, go to the next date, and then go ahead and paste to the board. And then from here, I can reposition those notes or those tasks where I want them to see. Now, if there was a few of them that I got done, I can go ahead and quickly erase those from the planner. And therefore, I can copy all of my to-dos from one day to the next. This works with all of your notes in the planning system. So to give you a little look at the planning system, I'm gonna kind of dive into some of the quick pages so you can see it for yourself and see how this will help you unlock your potential. We already showed you the vision board that you can see here. It's a two-step process to help you determine what it is that you want to get out of your year and how you're to go about doing it and when you're gonna place those objectives in your planning. The next page is our annual keys page. This is a page where you help establish those big long-term range goals that you have in front of you. Under each quarter, you have a quarterly planning tool page. There's a 2-page review that really helps you determine, are you finding success in that quarter? We also have our ideal week page. The ideal week page is something that's going to help you improve your routine and gain the best traction on all the habits that you want to improve in your life. Each month has an add a view month. It also has a vertical detailed add a view. And then we have our weekly planning page. Each and every week, we want you guys to take the opportunity to reflect on your accomplishments, understand your unfinished business, and determine what are the things that matter most to you in the upcoming week. And then as you see here, we have our daily pages. In addition to our daily planning pages, we want this planner to be something that you can use throughout your life. So we've set in here the ability for you to put in your personal, career, community, and self goals. We also added a space where you can write your meeting details, where you can cover your agenda, determine who's going to be at your meeting, and sketch out the things that matter most to you in that particular meeting while you take notes and outline the assignments that you have in front of you. Our project section allows you to track and take notes on certain projects that you're working on at home or at work. Our note pages are designed to help you just keep track of your notes and journal beyond that's offered in our single daily pages. As far as navigation goes through the planner, if you need to get to a date such as the week of my birthday, which is in November, in case you're interested, you can come along here, select November, and you can go ahead and you can simply quickly Brandon's birthday. Now, I want to make sure on the 8th, that I was able to put in a request for a birthday cake for the staff in my office. This planning system is something that we've built over the last few years, and now with the recent update to the reMarkable 2, it's something I think many of you are going to enjoy on this device. Guys, if you like this tutorial and you want to learn more about our system or get a good look at different product reviews, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like this video so others have the opportunity to see it, and follow us along on our journey. I'm Brandon Bohndorfer, creator and founder of the Key2Success Planning System, and I look forward to sharing with you our experiences.